And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 209. Let me show the angle strokes filter. You'll find it under the filter gallery. It's under brush strokes, the second option. Let me zoom out here. And we have three ways to adjust it. First one is the direction balance. It controls the balance between left leaning and right leaning strokes. So at around 0 to 4 you have left angled, and 6 to 10 it's going to become right angled. At around 5 it's equally balanced out. The stroke length controls the length of each brush stroke, so you can make that shorter and choppier using lower values and longer and more sweeping strokes using high values. Then we have the sharpness, which controls the crispiness. So if you want to have softer, more blended strokes, go down. If you go up, you're going to get sharper edges. Don't forget to confirm you're okay. And this is how you can create these typical paint effects using the angle strokes filter in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.